the TVET financing policy, and the income generating business and entrepreneurship units policies. I note with appreciation that promotion of youth employment and vocational training is an intervention that addresses quality and relevance of TVET. The project envisions establishing centers of excellence for cooperative training, vocational education and training, CTVET, in selected TVET institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to inform you that this program has a positive impact on learning. This is determined by the number of applicants requesting to be admitted in these courses that are going to be offered. Also, the institutions under this program are able to showcase their prowess and are competing competently with the other tertiary institutions.
The advantage of this system is that our young people receive training that is standardized on the one hand and clearly oriented towards the needs of industry on the other hand. Through this close partnership, we have succeeded time and again in aligning training with the needs of industry and at the same time creating jobs that provide fair pay and good work. Youth employment is the overarching goal of German development cooperation in Kenya, with a long history supporting the education sector in Kenya. With the launch of the Kenyan-German TVET initiative for youth employment in 2016, Germany set its focus of cooperation with Kenya on supporting the Kenyan youth striving for employment and job generation.
Guku niko marithondekagira body cia ngari nacio engine cirithondekagirwo kuria assemblagirwo kundu gwitagwo Thika Institute. Kuheo thiini wa bururi wa Kenya kamweke gaka ni kaundu ni uthii wa na mbere na njogerie bururi wa Germany ngatho muno ni undu wa partner na thirikari ya Kenya nigetha ku make sure project ino ni kurikana thi na mbere na ihota gukorwo igiteithia wana youth aitu. Guku niko gukona mweke munene muno wa anake na iritu ukagukorwo guku makiandikithia uhoro-ini wa welding, wa mansion, uhoro wa gucinirira, uhoro wa thitima. So project ino riri gukorwo ikirika igukorwo giteithia andu ingi muno gicigo giki gia Thika na gicigo gia bururi witu wa Kenya. So reke njuge umuthu ni milestone ni kahinda kao ka mbere gukorwo magika project teno ati gukorwo ati masukuru ni marihota ku assemble ngari na ikahota guthie na ni turamenya hararu tugucoka thirikari ya Kenya kwanza nirekirira uhoro wa iganda na njira nene muno tondu ko ni muramenya ndagike no ria turathi na mbere bururi witu ni uhinyirikire muno kiuthi wa na mbere na kibiashara-ini riu no tucokire iganda-ini eno ni njira imwe nene ya guka gu train youth